What's going on, everybody? Today we have a new knife to unbox, obviously from Grimsmo Knives, and it obviously would be probably a Norseman since they really don't make too many knives. They make one other version of a knife that's extremely difficult to get. Either way, this knife is kind of has a love-hate relationship with so many different people in the knife community, for sure. Pretty nifty case. But for this channel, I thought I waited for a long time. I've been looking at all the different colors and different versions for quite a long time. Obviously, the price tag is another reason for slow pulling the trigger, but I thought I found one that I thought really kind of stood out amongst all the others. So let's take a look. And there you go. You got your nifty case. And you got your tool, your nano oil, we've got the knife, and underneath we've got the serial number 4863, Starburst 2.0, pink and blue hardware, and it was done May 3rd of 2021, and there's the sticker on the bottom there, very nice. I guess we should expect that for the price tag. So here we go, pink anno. I like that. I thought it was very unique, especially considering with the blade, which is acid washed and tumbled. So yeah, looks very nice. I like it. I like the looks of it all together. I thought the pictures kind of made it look a little pinker than it actually is. So it's really not that bad. Kind of a pinkish, can almost be even taken as a light, really light purple too. But I like it. It's pretty cool. Definitely different, especially with the acid washed blade. Yeah, very nice, very nice. You can see all the machining lines, which, yeah, you really kind of don't even really notice them, don't even really feel them. Got a very nice edge on it. The blue hardware definitely stands out. You definitely notice the thinness, the overall thinness of the knife. You notice that right off the bat. Feels really nice in the hands. Yeah, very nice. Some people hate that. How it sometimes will bounce back out, but and you do have to keep your fingers off the lock bar. Just a little bit of extra finger, you definitely notice it, but I love that smoothness from it though. Very nice. Doesn't really seem to, I guess if you do it really hard, you'll definitely notice it, but doesn't seem to want to do it all the time. It's very, very smooth. That's very nice. Everything is very nicely lined up, as we should expect for, again, the price tag, which, these start, the bare bones one, I think, starts at like $9.50, and they go up from there very quickly, so they're not cheap. I was surprised that this one stayed as long as it did. Maybe because, I'm not sure if it's because they're shy about the pink or we're shying away because of the acid washed blade. But I kind of like the two. I kind of like it together, honestly. I mean, if you're going to break out a knife like this, you may as well have it stand out a little bit. It doesn't bother me at all. Is people see it sticking out of your pocket and they'll be like, is that a pink knife? And you break it out, and it definitely starts a conversation after that, I'm sure. But And it's not, it's almost kind of almost more purplish than it is maybe pink. I think pink is a very hard color to knock on anodization. So, but either way, I like it. And the blade is definitely interesting. You know, so it is your RWL34, which you can kind of see right there along with the serial number. So very, very nice. Nothing that you can notice that is necessarily an issue. Even the inside lock bar over travel stop is even blue. So again, they're very, very known for their detail, and this one certainly does not shy away either. So very nice, nice lockup. Not a bit of movement at all. Totally secure, and the lock bar just slides right out effortlessly. So yeah, I'm kind of like it. I like it a lot. So, you know, people might be very much against the blade, but of course this is a Tanto channel. There's a lot of people that are against Tantos in general. So, but you know, on this channel we are all about the Tantos here. So having this join the channel along with everything else that we can use for comparisons down the road and everything else, I like this edition. It was pricey, but it's only made once, so I doubt I'll buy another one, but you never know. I mean, unless another one comes out that absolutely shocks me further down the road, who knows. But there you guys go. That is the Grimsmo Norseman, and we will see you next time. Have a great day.